classic national costume is Operation Sindoor, a symbol of strength. Operation Sindoor was a precise military operation against terrorist hideouts in the neighboring country, showcasing India's military prowess and technological advancement. The name Sindoor represents India's